Hello there, kids! Welcome to my bakery! Look, we have some yummy food items. Which one do you want to try first? I want an ice cream. Here we have an ice cream. Look at the color. It looks like a blueberry ice cream with some chocolate. Let's see what do we have inside. Oh, look here, kids! We found something from inside the ice cream. It looks like a balloon. It's a blue balloon. We've got a blue balloon. Now I'm going to try a muffin. Kids, here we have a muffin. It's pink and it's yellow. Let's open it together. Oh, look, kids! There's something inside the muffin. What do we have? We found some shapes. First, we have a triangle. And here we have a hexagon. What do you want next? I want some biscuits. Kids, here we have a pink biscuit. And here we have a blue one. Do you want to see some magic? Oh, look, kids! We turned the biscuits into something. Here we have a number. It's an 8. And here we have a square. And it's blue in color. And look at this one, kids. It's a Play-Doh. A purple Play-Doh. Look at the beautiful color, kids. It's purple. And now we have a toy. Look here, kids. We're about to make some noodles. Wow! Look, kids. We made some noodles. Some purple noodles. Do you like milk? I have some milk here. Let's chug it. Open your mouth and drink the milk. Kids, do you see some macarons? Here we have a purple and here we have a green one. This looks like a banana flavor and this looks like a blueberry. Now look closely, kids. I can do some magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, kids. We've got some alphabets. We have M, we have B, and here we have P. M, P, B. And look at this one. We have a balloon as well. It's a blue balloon. Look, kids, it's a blue balloon. And here we see some donuts. Look, kids, we have 2 of them. One is pink and one is white. Do you like donuts? I love donuts. Now it's time to cut the cake. Come on, kids. Here we have a knife. And here we have a pastry. You see, kids? It's yellow and it's pink. Look here, kids. We've got 2 pieces of pastries. And we also got some numbers and some shapes. First we have 4. And here we have 2. Together they make 42. And here we have a circle. An orange circle. Now let's cut the cake into 4 pieces. Great job, kids! We've got one piece, second piece, third piece, and the fourth one. We've got 4 pieces of cake. Great job, little kids. We had so much fun in my bakery. See you next time.